When they came to pray, this is what the faithful would have seen on the walls of the Bezeklik corridor. In the darkness, they could see a world of giant Buddhas in red robes. This picture portrays Buddha's oath. The 15 paintings retrace the Buddha's first life when he was called Shakyamuni. Here, having decided to lead a holy life, he has his head shaved. In a corner of the fresco, horses symbolize the nomadic tradition of the Uyghurs. On the ceiling are arabesques, common to holy sites from the shores of the Mediterranean to far-off Japan. Here, in the center of the corridor, is the fresco restored from the pieces in Seoul and New Delhi. Shakyamuni offers his hair to Dipankara to prevent him from soiling his sandals. The abundance and blackness of his hair are proof of his virtue. Opposite is the fresco from the Hermitage. After more than 100 years, it has once again found its place in the ensemble. A whole world is reborn. The merchants' caravans halting in ancient Turfan, offering precious gifts to Buddha. They are the Sogyams, the Uyghurs' ancestors, desert adventurers, at the mercy of the elements, praying for their salvation. They have built a makeshift boat to carry Buddha across the Ganges. One of the camel drivers is none other than Shakyamuni himself. The eyes of these people are of every color: blue, green, black. In a scene of ardent devotion, several races mingle together. This is probably the true mystery of the Bezeklik fresco. It depicts a past of tolerance and peace between peoples.